Good morning, my children. How are you all? I hope you're fine and keeping yourself safe. Yeah? Yes, even I'm taking lots of care and keeping myself and my family safe. Today, Ria Auntie has got a new story. Yes, new story, right? So, new story. In this new story, I'm going to talk about something that is very dear to all of us. Do you know what it is? Yes, it is our family. Yes, I'm going to talk about our family and how we love them so much. Do you love your family, children? Yes? And who is there in your family? Can you tell me? Yes, Mama, Papa, brother, yes, sister. And who else? Who said? Grandfather, grandmother. Very good. And we also have aunties, uncles, cousins, all these people in our family, right? So, as children and as human, we all love our family. Today, we're going to hear the story about one small girl and how she loves her family. Okay? Ding 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 ding. So, the name of the story is I Love My Family. This story is from the Emotional Well-Being series for children written by Joe Cowley. Okay, Joe Cowley is a very good writer who writes on emotional, social, and uh, physical well-being of children. Is a very good writer. You can parents. You can even check out other books of written by her. It is very nice, and it is this pictures and illustration is done by Raw 4. So I love my family, and can you see? In this picture, in the cover, who was there? There's a tiny little cute girl. Her name is Lily. This is Lily. And Lily is with her grandma and grandpa. And it is going to be Lily's story. Let's hear Lily's story. Ooh, look at this picture. What a lovely picture. Just look at the entire family. They have gone out in the playground and they all are playing. The children are in the swing and the mama and papa are helping them push in the swing. How nice. Now Lily says, where is Lily? Lily's here. Lily says, I love my family. I love my mom and dad. So this is Lily's mama and Lily's dad. I love my sister and brother. This is Lily's sister and Lily's brother. So Lily said, I really love all my family. My mom and my dad, my brother and sister. And see from their faces how happy all of them are to be together. Do they look sad, children? They look very happy, amazing, right? So we also feel like that when we are with our siblings and our parents, right? Very nice. And now Lily continues, I love grandma and grandpa and all my aunts, uncles and cousins. How lucky I am to have my family. So wow, look at Lily's family. Big extended family. Lily says, I love my grandma and grandpa. Oh, aren't they the best? They will pamper you and love you so much. Yes, your grandma, they love my grandma, grandpa. I love my aunties, my uncles, and all my cousins. And look, they're dancing and they're singing and they're playing music. Wow. And the grandpa and the grandma are clapping. So this looks like a happy, very happy, fun family gathering, right? So we all also have such family gatherings. Sometimes it can be for a birthday, it can be for someone's wedding, right? Or some puja. But we all gather together, the entire family, and we have lots of fun, right? So, Lily's family is also having fun like that. Wow, these moments are so special, right? They really make our life so much more wonderful. And see how happy each one of them are there. Look at the love and the smile on their faces. Ooh, very nice. Okay. So Lily has a loving family. She loves her family and she loves all the people in the family. Wow. But all families have problems, Lily says. All families have problems. All families have bad days. So Lily is saying, this small little girl, Lily, she's a very wise girl. She says, all families have problems. We all love each other, but we all have problems. And we all have bad days. So not every day is a good day. It is normal in life. Some days are good, some days are bad. Okay? So a family also have bad days. So can you tell me what is happening in the picture, children? Can you see this? Can you see there are two grown-ups? It looks like Lily's mama and Lily's papa. Are they being nice to each other? It looks like they're angry with each other or they are having an argument, right? They're not agreeing with each other. And look at Lily. Lily doesn't look very happy seeing their parents arguing or fighting. Okay? So Lily says, though my family is very nice and we all love each other, there are days which are bad like this when my elders are fighting. Sometimes people shout at each other. Sometimes the grown-ups, or it can be children, they will shout at each other. And it is not a very pleasant time. It's not a very good time. It is not a good day at those days. Sometimes people don't talk to each other. So sometimes they do not talk at all to each other. Like they get so angry within the family. Does it happen? Has it happened that you have fought with your mama, your papa, or you have fought with your brother or sister and you get angry and you don't talk to them, you shout at them? Has it happened? It happens. It's okay. Sometimes it happens. It happens with me also. Many times I've also done that. It is not a nice thing, but it has happened, right? And we feel hurt inside. We all feel hurt inside. See, the brother and the sister are hurt inside. From inside they are angry, so they are not talking to each other. They are turning their back. And look at their expression. They are angry and hurt, right? Can you see their faces? They're angry and hurt. Look at the expressions of the mama and papa shouting at each other. They are also angry. So sometimes we are angry, sometimes we are upset with things that are happening. So we shout at each other. We don't talk. We will not talk to that person. And we feel very hurt inside. From inside we get angry. We feel sad that why did my mama, why did my papa, why did my grandfather, why did my brother or my sister did this to me? We feel sad. But the best thing about family is soon, though we fight, okay, though we argue, though we shout at each other, and though we don't talk to each other, okay, but soon we say sorry and hug each other. But after a point, we can't keep on fighting with each other. If we keep on fighting with the family, will the family be happy? Will the bad days will go away? No, right? So we say sorry. So if I've hurt my mama, I'll say, sorry mama, I should have not been rude to you. like that, okay? Sorry, and then we go and give a nice hug. Okay, we hug each other. I will hug my mama will hug me. So in this case, both the brother and sister can say sorry to each other and hug each other out. Mama and Papa can also hug each other and say sorry to each other, right? And then they all become happy again. And like that, just by saying sorry and giving a hug, the bad days are gone. And again, it will be happy days in the family. Then we cry and laugh and call for a pizza. And now since everybody is friends, all the family is, back together, see, hugging and all happy. They call for a pizza for celebration. Wow, I would love to have some pizza too. See how they all are eating nicely with so much love and care. See the papa, the sister, the brother, the mama and Lily. Wow, Lily, it's very nice. So very soon they come out from a bad phase where people are fighting and shouting to a good time in the family by saying sorry, by hugging out each other, by not holding to your anger, by letting it go. Okay, I was angry that time, forgotten, like that. Okay, you should forget your anger. You should not hold on to it for too long, children. Okay, so problems never last long because we love each other. Because we love each other, we choose to forgive and forget. That's why problem cannot last very long. Problems come, but they go away. We hate hurting each other. We all love each other in the family, so we don't want to hurt or see somebody else upset in our family. Yes, that's what a family is about. Sometimes Lily says, look at Lily, she's stretching her arms out, okay? So Lily says, sometimes I stretch out my arms and say to my family, I love you this much. I love you so much love. Lily feels for her family. She really loves her family. And they say to me, we love you as much as the whole wide world and more. And then the entire family back said, we also love you, Lily. As much as the whole wide world and more. So they all have so much love for each other. So this is the story of Lily and how she loves her family. So what did we learn, children? We learned that if we love our family, we will spend very good times. But loving our family also means loving in bad times. In times where we fight, in times when we argue, in times when we don't agree with each other, in times when we decide not to talk to each other, we have to forgive and forget that incident and not hold on to the problems. Hold on to the problems. Letting go of such problems and going and saying sorry and hugging it out and forgetting it. It's what loving your family truly means. So if you love your family, children, you will never let the problem stay for long. Problems will come. That is okay. It is life. All problems will come. Problems will come. Sometimes you will fight. Sometimes you will not agree. Sometimes you might be upset. But not letting the problem last long is what makes us love our family. And that's what we do if we love our family. So take my advice, children, and next time don't hold any grudge or any anger against your family members and stay happily with your family. I hope you all like this story. I like this story very much and so much to learn from this story, right? And I think it's time for me to go to my family, give them a nice tight hug and say how much I love them. Okay, bye-bye.